Oh well, I think it's time I went through the car wash, but I'll have to go backwards. So I was going through here, get it all ready up. I need a good old clean. Right, here we go. Here we go. Going through the car wash. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. Clean me up, that is. That's that invisible mist they have now. Oh. That's alright, that is. Saves me putting the car through. Oh. Anyway, there she is. I'm having a mad half hour.
The flat door, the trap, that's hopefully.
I don't know, I've never opened it. Never opened it.
Well, there's a handle there. I think you probably push up against these two springs. So I'm going to try that, folks. Hold on. Maybe hold that like that and push. That's it, yeah. There you go. Well, we can't get up there, can we?
Well, I've got a ladder, big ladder.
Yeah, I know. So there's no way we can stick our head up through there, folks. So it's just one of those on these springs. Look, so we're going to have to get up on the roof, cut around the edge of the seal, and then this hopefully should lift that, and then we can reseal all the way around. So
can't you unscrew it first and then?
It is unscrewed.
Oh, it's not. It won't do it then.
I'm filming you. You're filming me.
I'm filming you. You're filming me.
Right. Okay.
Hello. How are you? This is my good mate Martin. He's come to fix my roof.
Yeah, all right. It's windy, you won't need none of that, by the way.
I will. Come into my little...
Right, come on, put that down, will you?
Alright, hang on.
Some of us got important work to do.
Well, I've come to pick my easel up. As you can see, lots and lots of craft work and books and really good prices. There's always offers on. I love this store. I mean, look at this gouache paint, look, ready mixed, which is, it is like gouache. It's a pound a tube. You can produce some lovely artwork. It's very cheap. Look, sets of them. You don't have to buy the very expensive paints unless, you know, you're really doing a work of art that's going to last the years. Lots of kiddie books. There's everything for everyone here, especially if you're a big kid like me. I mean, this is probably about my limit, these books. But there's always offers on in here. Great for the kids in the summertime if they want to sit in the garden and do some hobbies, some crafts, or books for the old adults. A bit too old for me. I like colouring in books. Yeah, jigsaws. Look at that, look. Take your pick. And more over there. Games. Lots of games, look. Puzzles and things. That's great. We've even got books on dieting. And these prices are fantastic. They are. Come down the works and get yourself a bargain. Cooking books. You name it, they've got it. Only 3 books for £6. More games. Dad's Army. Fools and Horses. See, even the staff are helpful. Well, I've just pulled over to do a bit of editing. I've not left nothing on, and she won't start. Oh, that sounds powerful. There you are. Ah, left me bloody lights on. Ah, that's what it was. Stupid idiot Lee. I wonder why. Left me bloody lights on. Oh! Oh well, I'll have to ring Martin up. My mate. He's got one of them super duper battery chargers. I have as well, but guess what? I left it indoors and I don't think it's charged. There she is. There's the engine. Looks alright for its age. There's the old battery. Yeah. Yeah, it's been looked after. Hello, hello. What's he got? A new motor? You got a new motor, John?
Unbelievable.
You got a new motor? You going up in the world? Mercedes?
Unbelievable.
I'm filming you, you're filming me.
Place to go camping.
I'm only 2 miles from home.
Unbelievable.
Oh.
What are you doing then?
I just realised what it was.
What?
Left the bloody lights on.
Oh, you.
Hello.
Daytime?
Well, I didn't, did I? I've been sitting there for 2 hours doing a video. I've done a lovely editing.
Yeah, Jim.
I've done a lovely edit of.
You called me out. What I'm watching programmes.
What was you watching?
Eh?
Was you watching YouTube?
Yes, I was.
Was you watching one of mine?
No, I don't watch your rubbish.
You'll like this new one. I talk to the animals.
He's doing a video, folks. He was doing some editing in this little lay-by.
I do.
That's the place to do it, isn't it? Eh?
It's
Jim's
lovely.
just going to connect this up. Eh? Yeah, one of our jump packs here, folks.
And I really need it, boy.
Of course you do. That's not got. Has that got a button on the end side of that one? Yeah. Little boost
I've
button.
got one of these, but it's at home.
Well, that's the place to leave it, isn't it?
I know. That's what my brother says.
Press that boost button in, did it? Not yet. Right, this hasn't been charged, folks. My little pack is just sat there, so this will be a good test for it.
It's what power is this one then?
2,000 amps. This
I
is
just
right.
heard it click then.
You press it in.
No.
Action.
Action.
Well,
Action by me.
so now I'm filming Martin now. He's brought his little super duper charger, everything round.
Battery pack. Well, jump start pack.
Yep, and it jumps
Tyre pack.
jumps up for tyres.
Yeah, but this, you said this tyre was flat.
Well, it's not that. It is
It's only flat at
flat.
the bottom.
Oh, you.
Hey, you swear. Only flat at the bottom, mate.
Why did that happen?
Right. We actually pumped this up at the petrol station yesterday,
Yeah, we did.
and we put 50 psi in it.
We did.
So within a day,
Well, it was when I got back last night from your
of course
place.
it was. And I've been trying to edit a video.
Oh, here we
You
go.
called me up straight away.
See, I told you to start writing, but he's left it a bit.
How many? I've got 100% charge in there, look.
Yeah,
And all you do, folks, is literally,
yeah.
let's set the target PSI to 50.
And you need to plug it in, wouldn't you?
No, that's the beauty of it.
Ah, right. So you don't have to put it in the cigarette lighter. Of course you,
can
don't.
do if you want, but it's got the built-in power pack.
but
And
that
all I
would
do is that.
But that's it. Bloody hell.
Right, let's leave it.
Well, oh well. It's Tuesday morning, and I've started my low carb diet. As you can see on there, it's all low carb, except for the beans, and the sausages have a little bit of carbs in them, but the rest of it is near enough zero, and that will fill me up till this evening. Well, here I am again, the next morning. Here's my low carb breakfast, as you can see. Now this time it's, apart from the beans, the rest of it is all low carb. Now, a good example, one piece of white bread is nearly 20 grams of carbs, whereas these beans here are probably about 3 or 4. They're hardly anything, eggs nothing, bacon's nothing. eggs. There's probably about 5 grams of carbs in the whole meal, as compared to one slice of bread of 20 grams. You wouldn't believe that. To lose weight on the Atkins diet, you're meant to have 20 grams of carbs a day. Anyway, and who we have over here?
Hello.
Is Gary.
Project Man.
Project Man. You know his channel? He's doing Up the Camper Van?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go over there and have a look. It's good.
Sausage, bacon and egg.
And he's having the sausage bacon egg. Oh, that does look nice. I like bread, but it's...
Warm baguette.
I've put some weight on. I must be 18.5 stone now.
Yeah.
Yeah. My fighting weight's about 16. So I've got quite a way to go.
Not far, mate, not far.
And, well, that's it. Martin's not here. No. Well, you would know if he was here, you'd hear him.
He's on the chair, he's under the table.
He's under the table, yeah. All right, Martin, down there, yeah? He's all right. Well, here I am in a rugged apron again. Just waiting for my scrambled egg on toast. I tell you what, it makes a lovely scrambled egg on toast. He has a special ingredient. I usually put milk in with mine, but he puts cream in it. And I'll tell you what, it's lovely. Delicious. Oh, look! There it is. That is his famous scrambled eggs with cream. Look. I know you can't smell it and you can't taste it, but I can. And I guarantee you, it's nearly as good as mine. No, it's better actually. Anyway, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do a Martin. Right? Look. Lovely, look at the texture, look. It's just right, it's not too runny. Look, that. You know what I'm going to say, don't you? I'm going in. I'm really going in. I am going in. Watch this. Oh, look, oh. It's the best scrambled egg I've ever had. Oh, how does he do it? Oh, I'm in heaven. I've fallen in love. Oh, just over scrambled egg. Hello, Mum.
Bloody hell, what's that?
What do you mean, what's that?
What is it? Camera?
Yeah, of course it is. Where'd you come from, Stone Age?
No, I've never seen the back like that before.
Well, it's the front, actually.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Say hello to everybody in YouTube land.
No. You've been putting me on there when you see it.
You look good.
Bloody terrible.
Not bad for 100.
Shut up.
You do me a little pie.
If you're lucky.
Thanks, Mum. Oh, well, let's come in and see Mummy. It's nice, isn't it? Look. See that fireplace? I've done that for me, Mum. Nice, isn't it? See that? It's not marble. That's that sticky Fablon stuff. I put that on the back of, put it straight onto the wall, and then I got some melamine for the hearth, and then stuck it on there. Yeah. Very cosy. Yeah, I'm very pleased with how that turned out. I bought that surround off eBay for 20 quid, and I got that fire because that's the one Mum wanted. She don't like all these modern things, but she likes the old-fashioned type one like that, you know, where it's got the little red bulbs inside and it flickers round. I think I had to go all the way to York for that, but it was worth it. I think it was only £40 or £20, I can't remember. But the backing is that Fablon. It's that marble effect. And the hearth was a piece of melamine. And I just stuck it all together. And hey presto. And what are you doing? And that's my mum hiding.
Little pest.
What? Oh, usually that's pest.
Pest.
Now you're on camera. Usually get something a little bit different.
No, you won't.
What? Hello? Ooh, what are you hiding?
Hey.
What?
Don't be a pest.
I'm not.
No.
Is it? I've just popped round and seen Mum, and she make me something to eat. It's nice, isn't it? Eh? Hello. Bye. Well, that's what Mummy's cooked for me. Mummy. Looks nice. Chicken pie, some potatoes. Ooh, lovely jubbly. Hey?
If you have that gravy, turn it round, you'll have the beans all down your shirt.
Now I've got it on the tray, haven't I?
No, it's over.
What?
They come over.
What come over?
The beans, the juice and that.
Oh, I'll turn it round.
Yes, do so.
Do you know what? I'm 60, nearly 63,
Oh no, look, move your plate.
and my mum is 80. How old are you now? 83. And she's still telling, I'm still a little boy. Oh, hello. This is Roger Moore. I'm wearing a moustache and beard. And Miss Moneypenny, I hope you're watching this because I am out and about in my little camper van. And I'm looking around, and it's very nice. You should be here. Anyway, when you see M, tell him I'll be back soon. Minus the beard, of course. This is Roger Moore, over and out.